Okay, this is to help with 8.4 day 2, which is to multiply and divide rational expressions. One of the things that's really important to realize here is you're not really multiplying, right? Like if there's two fractions and I was multiplying them together, I would just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then simplify if possible, right? But with rational expressions, you basically are going to factor and cancel and then multiply across. So on this particular question, I would factor all the parts. This x plus 3 is pretty much already factored, but let's see, x squared plus 4x minus 12, two numbers that, so we're going to use x and x for the x squared, and then two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and add up to 4. I think 6 and 2 will work. If we do positive 6 and negative 2, they multiply to negative and add up to positive. And then up top, same thing. So we're going to have x and x. And then we're going to have one negative and one positive if they're multiplying to negative 10, and they have to add up to positive 3. Okay, so I think positive 5, negative 2 will work there. And you can make a big list of factors there if you're not sure, like all the things that multiply to 10, like 1 and 10, 2 and 5. But hopefully find the pair that adds to positive 3. And then this last one here, we can factor with just a GCF. So pull out a 3 from both parts, and it factors like that. Now that it's broken apart, now go through and cancel. It's kind of like one big giant fraction in a sense, and cancel any factors that match between the numerator and the denominator. So we definitely have an x plus 6 that match. And then let's see, they have matching x minus 2's, so those cancel. All right, and I think that's it. So what we're left with is we still have a 3 on top, this times 3, and then an x plus 5. And then on the bottom we have just x plus 3. And you can certainly write this top as 3x plus 15 if you want. I'm just going to leave it factored form just in case I miss something. If I miss something, then I could see if it cancels further. But I think that's as far as it gets. So basically, even though it says multiply, you pretty much factor, cancel, and then kind of go from there. I guess at the end I did kind of multiply my numerators, multiply my denominators, but really it's more like factoring and canceling. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you need any more explanation.